Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. And here's how it is done. The first thing you want to do is open your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on that now. And then hit the Me icon at the bottom right hand corner. From there, hit the three dots at the top right. And this will bring up all your settings and privacy options. What you want to do is go ahead and hit privacy. From here, it gives you a bunch of different privacy account options. Now, if you are under the age of 16, your account automatically turns private. And if that's what you are here for, trying to change that, you will need to change your age by emailing TikTok. Besides that, you can ask them to change it. But there's a new rule that if you're under 16, your account is going to be permanently set to private. So you will have to change it through them. There's no way to change it through the app. If you're trying to change other settings, I'm going to walk you through the different privacy settings you can fix on your phone after you have downloaded the app or just want to change some settings. Starting from the top, you can find your contacts. You can have that turned off. Mine is set to off by default. But if you want it to be on, you can sync that and allow TikTok to look through your contacts and match you with friends. I'm going to hit don't allow and go back. Next, you can have downloads on it if you want. This means if you want other people to be allowed to download your videos, you can keep that on. If not, you can toggle that off by clicking on it. You can do the same for comments. If you don't want people commenting or duets, you can restrict editing or stitching your videos. As for likes, you can choose whether you want people to see them or just keep it private. Also here, you can control who can send you messages. These are your settings. This is where you can go through to fix everything. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.